The moment I knew I needed to get solar panels and batteries for my house was during Winter Storm Uri. The winter storm happened. Obviously, we lost power. Suddenly, resiliency became a bigger factor. So I went online, looked at my house. They have the heat resource that's available, what they kind of project. It's real easy. You just drag the bar and say how much power do you need and what are you using. They connected me with one of their partners and worked through everything that I would need. My sales rep was really great. We would text or call to get everything set up. They came on site, very professional team. Master electrician comes out, is organizing and setting everything up. We walk through how we're gonna do the conduit, if we're gonna go in the roof, over the roof. They have local people doing local work, which is really great. It's nice to see local contractors getting into this business because it's gonna be the way of the future. Having that zero down, zero interest loan made the most sense for me where I was to do solar and batteries. Now, in an emergency, I can tell you we're gonna power the iPad for my daughters so that there's some sanity around here. The whole point of this is to get sleep back. With 3 little kids, I need every hour I can get. And when you can own your power and you can make sure that you're safe and relieve that stress from the grid, you're not just doing something good for yourself, you're helping your community.